Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. First I downloaded this image from Google. By the magic wand, select the same black color. Then go to edit menu, define brush preset. Now select your picture. Also select the created brush and open its setting. Here you can reduce brush size. Also rotate your brush. Also do some changes on shape dynamic and scattering. Then add a layer mask, Alt backspace or Control backspace to mask the entire image. Then set the color white and reveal it slowly. Again you can create marquee selection. To fill black, you can unmask the area. Again you swap the color and apply your brush. So this is how you can create your image to brush for your design.